In the realm of cybersecurity, knowledge is your strongest defense. It's like being on a battlefield where understanding the language of your enemy gives you an edge. So let's demystify the jargon. We start with cybersecurity vocabulary, the fundamental terms that form the backbone of any security-related conversation. This isn't just about learning new words, it's about equipping yourself with the tools to ask the right questions to engage in meaningful dialogue with your cybersecurity team. This knowledge equips you to ask essential questions and communicate effectively with your cybersecurity teams. A cybersecurity threat is a malevolent act where a bad actor endeavors to compromise the integrity, availability, or confidentiality of your organization's digital assets. This threat can take many forms, from an anonymous hacker trying to infiltrate your network to malicious software designed to steal sensitive information. Social engineering tactics, where individuals are manipulated into revealing confidential data, is another common cybersecurity threat. Each of these methods aims to disrupt and potentially exploit your digital environment. These threats may include hacking attempts, malware, or social engineering tactics. Cybersecurity attacks are constant and are orchestrated by bad actors, both internal and external to your organization. Now, you may wonder, how does an attack differ from a threat? Simply put, a threat is the potential for harm. An attack, however, is the active attempt to cause that harm. Attackers are not just knocking at your door, they're trying to pick the lock. They aim to exploit vulnerabilities in your systems, gain unauthorized access, or disrupt critical operations. Remember, attackers seek to exploit vulnerabilities, gain unauthorized access, or disrupt critical systems. A cybersecurity breach occurs when a bad actor, whether from inside or outside your organization, successfully penetrates your cybersecurity defenses. This isn't a simple annoyance. It's a serious violation that can have severe repercussions. Picture this: confidential data exposed, systems disrupted, networks compromised. It's like a digital earthquake shaking your organization's foundation. The aftershocks, potential data theft, financial losses, and a tarnished reputation. These breaches are more than just technical issues, they're business crises. A breach poses significant risks, including data theft and financial losses. Understanding these fundamental terms empowers you to make informed decisions, implement robust cybersecurity measures, and effectively collaborate with your cybersecurity teams. This knowledge isn't just jargon, it's a tool, a shield that helps you navigate the complex cybersecurity landscape. It's the compass guiding your decisions, shaping your defenses, and fostering effective collaboration with your tech teams. Remember, knowledge is power in the digital realm. By asking probing questions and recognizing the signs of threats, you bolster your organization's security posture. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving landscape. Grasping these fundamental terms empowers you to identify threats, distinguish attacks, and recognize breaches. This understanding is pivotal to fortifying your organization against digital threats. A solid grasp of these basic terms is your first line of defense. It enables you to navigate the complex world of cybersecurity and safeguard your organization against a multitude of threats. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, knowledge is power in the realm of cybersecurity. If you found this information beneficial, do hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay secure. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into the world of cybersecurity.